So I got up this morning, I had a bunch of scrap left over from a job site that I'd been doing. Did a pretty big screen enclosure and got a bunch of scraps left over, so I decided, maybe I'll just try to build something. You know, do need a doghouse, so I figured I'd go ahead and build me a doghouse. Kind of went a little overboard. Okay, so I'm done with the doghouse, and yeah, kind of went a little overboard. This is my doghouse in a tree. So I decided to take all that material that I had and build something really cool for you. So I don't know if this is the first ever treehouse doghouse, but I will say it's my first. Even though we've built tree houses and tree forts and things of that nature for, God, about 20 years now, this was something I've never done. Really cool. Ozzy seems to love it. Can't let him jump on it yet though, because everything's still wet. Just finished painting her up. Getting her all nice and ready for Ozzy. Ozzy likes to jump on the high things, which is kind of the reason why I put it up in a tree, so he can get up and he can kind of see all around the neighborhood, check out the neighbors and the other dogs. So now that we have the treehouse built, we're going to go ahead and see if Ozzy likes to jump up on it. Give me a second. Okay, so I built this little ramp right here so that Ozzy can jump from there up onto his treehouse. So let's see if he likes it. Go ahead, get up there, Ozzy. Come on, get up there. Good boy. Come on, get up on the treehouse. Come on, get up on the treehouse. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You say hi to everybody? Say hi, Ozzy. Where's Ozzy? Where's Ozzy? There he is. So, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe so I can send you more. Ain't that right? What we do, boo-boo?